Yellowstone Caldera Supervolcano, a solution to the climate and energy crises. The global climate crisis poses a major threat to human civilization. The combustion of fossil fuels to generate energy is the primary cause of this crisis due to the greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. With the rapidly increasing demands of humanity, we can only expect our energy requirements to grow. It is therefore a necessity that we replace fossil fuels with greener and safer alternatives for energy production. At the same time, the Earth faces another great crisis. Underneath Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, USA, lies one of Earth's most powerful volcanoes. The Yellowstone Caldera Supervolcano has the potential for an eruption that would be catastrophic to the entire world. When exactly the Yellowstone Supervolcano will erupt or on what scale, no one currently knows, but it is certain that it will eventually happen. Researchers Dr. Thomas Arciuolo and Dr. Faezipour propose a solution to all these problems by harnessing the mighty energy reserve within the Yellowstone Supervolcano to generate clean, emission-free power, turning the Yellowstone curse into an immense blessing. The team's proposed technology would generate a phenomenal amount of power, almost triple the USA's energy requirements predicted for 2050. Their plan would also cool the magma chamber beneath Yellowstone, preventing a disastrous super-eruption. In fact, NASA has already predicted that cooling the magma chamber by just 35% would prevent such a calamity. The substantial amount of energy that will be made available promises exceptional environmental and economic gains. The project would also generate thousands of jobs and ensure energy independence for the USA. The technological design involves placing heat-conducting copper pillars through the ground and into the magma chamber. Copper has a high melting point of nearly 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can easily withstand the heat of molten rock and is highly thermally conductive. Copper is also cheap, and since the pillars would be hollow, it will greatly save on material costs. By pumping water through the copper cylinders, the supervolcano's intense heat will convert this water into superheated steam, which will power turbines to generate vast amounts of energy. With a proposed 10 turbines for each cylinder, 100 copper pillars would produce nearly triple the predicted energy requirements for the USA for 2050. The excess power generated could then be sold to other countries on the American continent for profit or to fund the facility's construction. Drs. Arciuolo and Faezipour's pioneering technology has been fully simulated to prove that it is both practical and efficient. The use of volcanoes to generate power has already proved highly successful in Iceland and Hawaii. Harvesting energy from the Yellowstone Caldera Supervolcano has the potential to provide safer, more reliable, and more dependable power than any form of energy used today. If the team's project were to be realized, not only would it generate huge profits, but it would also prevent a catastrophic eruption while significantly mitigating the climate crisis and meeting all of the American continent's energy needs. To fully satisfy the world's green energy needs and overcome the global climate crisis, this proposed volcanic energy harvesting technology could be implemented on every continent, as similar volcanic energy sources are available practically everywhere.